Hi, good morning. Nembak ngebegat you. How are you all, my subscriber and my viewers? How are you all? Hi, Ting Ting. Okay, show me how you play. Hi, show me how to play to Amo. Every time I'm going to sit, my Ting Ting is coming. This is all of them. This is the Tang Tang is always coming every time I'm sit, or I will go and feed my chicken and everything outside washing. He's coming in, sitting down just in front of me. Aray, 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 aray ko, apay ngay gayam. Aray, 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 aray. Tang Tang, too much pain. Tang Tang, Tang Tang, no, 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 no. Apay ngay gayam. Okay, show me how kiss. Aray, aray. Apay ngay, it's hurting me now. You're hurting me. Anay ko. You're hurting me, babachu. Natang-tang. Anay, anay, anay. Anay ko. Kiss-kiss nga rod. Kiss-kiss nga rod. Aray! Anay ko, pangay. You're hurting me too much, aray ko. Natang-tang. Sit down nga rod, sit down. Aray! Anay ko. Apay ka no, shunda. Tang-tang. Come on. Come on here. Anay ko. Natang-tang. Lie down again. Aray, 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 aray. He's trying to lie down and then biting me. He want to play but she cannot control. Hey, Tang Tang. She want to play but she cannot control herself. All the nails and the teeth is biting me. Huh, Tang Tang? Huh? Huy, you're not in the mood now? Huh? Did I shout you? I did not shout you. I did not shout my baba. Hey, Tang Tang, show me your tummy. Show me your tummy. Show me your tummy now. Ay, see. Arty, Uy, uy, uy. Anay ko. Aray, hurting me. Anay ko, Tang Tang. Tang Tang. Hi. Anay. Anay ko. Apay nga, sometimes he's playing nicely. Sometimes he cannot control herself and biting me hard. It's hurting me. His bite is hurting me. Nangaro day. Si bye-bye nga roden. Bye-bye nga roden. Uy. Bye-bye nga roden. Bye-bye. Sometimes, how many times I wanted to video them if they are playing with me, but I'm lazy and my phone is very far, so I'm not going to take the phone and bite and video them again. Just only now I remember. Hoy, okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Say meow meow. Where's your siblings? Where are your siblings? Where are your siblings? Huh? Tang Tang? Huy! Tang Tang! Tang Tang! Huy! Tang Tang? Ay, Tang Tang? Sige nga, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Hi, Sangyo. Sangyo. Hi, my name is Sangyo. I am an arty too much eating. You see, I am arty too much eating my breakfast. The beater wanted to eat bread than rice with chicken head. Rice with chicken head. Didn't like to eat. You are tired eating with rice and chicken head? Huh? And ang tata. That's why I put too much clothes. I put clothes in my chair because my dogs are going to lie down and sometimes the color will change. That's why I put clothes. Ay, you're playing? Shinda, huy. Okay, stand up nga rod and dance. Sige na nga rod, bye-bye na. You are not stand up and dance. Okay, come on, stand up, agarod. Stand up, agarod, baba. Tata lazy bones today. Huy, where's the kiss nga rod? Kiss man nga rod. Come on, kiss. Kiss na. No, lazy. Lazy today. Oh, lazy today. Kiss me nga rod, kiss me. Kiss me. Tangyo. Huy, tangyo. Shinda. Ati sa no kiss me. Kiss mo nga rod, dugdug ko. Next time, I will show you how my my anyo. Oh, see, it's itching again. Maybe today is going to clean her ear again. Every other day, I will clean her ear because it's itching. And while I'm see, it's itching again. That's why he's keep quiet like this. If I'm cleaning, he's pushing his head to me. It means that it's itching. Okay, later I will clean again. Okay? Okay. 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 Kiss nga ron. Na! Pangay gayam! Pangay gayam may dugdug! Shida. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and viewers, please like, subscribe, and comments down below. Oh, finish now and then you are playing. Huh? Finish now you are playing. Okay, bye-bye now. Take care. Everybody is take care. And sorry of my English, huh? I'm not too much good in English. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.